And what I want to do real quick is show you how to essentially turn a PDF into a QR code. Maybe you're a small business and you don't want to pay monthly for hosting a menu or something like that. I'm going to show you a way for you to turn a PDF into a QR code. So first you're going to go to github.com and create a new repository. So GitHub is essentially a site where you can host and upload files, and mostly this is used for coding and software engineering. So I already have a repository, but you could create a new one and basically name it whatever you want. So I'll call my PDF Faker, and you can give it a description, whatever you want. So first thing first, I'm going to go to a site where I could create a PDF. I'm gonna use Canva because I like this site. So I'm gonna make like a flyer, something like that, and try to upload it. So let's say I wanted a flyer for an art show or something. I'm gonna download it, save it as a PDF. I'm gonna put it as PD example. I can't spell example. Download, save it as a PDF. We're gonna be software engineers today. So save my file as a PDF. I'm gonna go back to GitHub and I'm gonna upload this file. So just uploaded my PDF and I'm gonna commit the changes. All that means is that I just uploaded the file. So what I'm gonna do is click on this and I'm gonna grab the route, the URL pointing to the PDF. So that's step one. Next, we're gonna do a little coding here. Don't be too afraid. There's nothing too crazy. I'm going to now add a file, and I'm going to create a new file. I'm going to call this one index.html. This is basically a HTML file that allows us to create websites. So got an open and close tag. I'm going to do a href equals this, and all I'm doing is just pointing to my PDF, and just so I know where this is, I'm going to put it inside some tags so that I know that it's the link to the PDF. So I'm gonna be like, click here for event info. Okay, so this is as simple as a site that I could think and create. So what I did is just commit the code. So now if I click this, we have our HTML tag, our P, and a link to our PDF. And if we want to view it so you could see what it looks like, no, I'm not even gonna do that. Okay, so now we did most of the hard part, the scary part, the coding part. Now we're gonna go to this app called Netlify. I'm gonna provide a link to this in the description. So first things first is gonna be like create a new site. We're gonna link our GitHub account. I'm already linked, so all this is gonna do is look for my code. I'm gonna type in PDF and search for the project. For you, it should automatically come up, but for me, I'm gonna click the project that I made. We're gonna do it off the main branch. We don't have to worry about any of this. And what I did now is just create a site. based off of the little code that we wrote inside of that file. So now if I click this, I'll have a live site. And now if I click this link, oh crap. I didn't think this through. Let's go back. Let's go back. I think I need to link it. I think I just need to link it to example.pdf. So anytime I make changes to this file, it's gonna automatically update in the code here. So I just made new changes and the site has been updated. So let me preview it again. Gotta make sure so the changes I just made have just updated on the file. So now if I go now, it should link. Ooh. It should link to the PDF. Huh. It hasn't updated yet. I need to publish. Sorry. This shouldn't be as complicated as it is. Okay. So now if I go back to our new site, it should now link to the PDF. So now that we have our PDF. Okay, awesome. So now all you have to do is take your PDF and go to one of these PDF uploader sites. I like the QR code generator. And let me just refresh. And now all you need to do is type in the URL and shorten it if you choose. So now if I save this, example event QR code. Now I have a QR code that I could use at an event. This is a fast and easy way. If you don't have a site and you just want to make something live, create it and go live. And all you have to do now is, if you want to make changes to the PDF, is go into your GitHub account. Say for example you're a small business and you want to make changes to your menu. All you would have to do is go back to the repository that you just made, switch out the PDF. You could delete it, switch it out, make sure it's the same name here that you have here, and your new PDF should be able to be uploaded. Yeah, this is just a small hack that I thought about so that you don't have to pay excessively for PDF, these paid PDF providers. And then make sure after you make changes, you come back after you make changes and commit them. You go back to your GitHub repository and you commit the changes, come back here and deploy the changes so that it is updated. You know, quick way, quick hack, and now you're able to do whatever you want for your event for free. Thank you. I appreciate. If you need any more hacks, I'll think about more ways to get around the system. But appreciate y'all.